We are at EPCOT on this fine evening, and we are going to bring to you another ride called the Gran Fiesta Tour with the three Caballeros. This ride holds a lot of nostalgia. I rode this on my first trip in 2000 when I was 5 years old.
Wow.
Still remember it, and it has become a family favorite with his dad specifically.
My dad loves it, has to ride it every time.
Yeah. Usually doesn't have a very long wait, so let's go check it out. But who should greet us but the three Caballeros? What are their names? Panchito, Donald, and Pancho?
That's a good trivia question. I don't know.
We'll find out in the ride. If you know, comment below. But don't be cheaters. Heading this way toward the ride. As we enter the Mexico Pavilion, you will see a restaurant to the right, a margarita shack to the left, usually very long lines, just some wayfinding points so you know you are in the right place, but it's hard to miss when this is where we are going. Climbing the steps into a summer oasis. Usually it is dark and cool inside this area where the ride is. There's other things to mention in here. They've added a cocoa theme recently, so you can explore around looking at little vignettes of cocoa. You've got two options. Which road are you going to take? Right? Cava de Tequila? Or left? We're going left today. That will take us to the ride. This area in here is always so pretty. And there's also a restaurant in here we'll try out sometime and share with you guys. Heading this way through the little carts. We are looking for Gran Fiesta Tour. Hola. We are headed in the line. Like we said, it is usually not a long wait at all. It's a boat ride. So, oh yeah, okay. Here are their names. Panchito, Donald Duck, and Jose Carioca.
Did you get them right?
I didn't. I got one of them right. Well, two of them. I got two of them. So we will load on our boat. We will be on row 3 on the next boat.
Remain seated picking your clothes. The other legs inside the boat. And if you have children with you, please watch carefully.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la boca. Y cuídese.
That is the restaurant that we will eat at one day and share with you guys.
I don't know. We must work. The country is to make. This way.
Where is Donald?
Goodbye. Excuse me, we are looking for a dog. Excuse me. Haha! Now we got you, amigo. Huh?
The drums up here, a little hidden Mickey right there.
What means I cannot fly? I don't know. Get us on tour.
Adios, amigos.
Then gather your belongings and exit to the right. Hey! Hasta la vista!
Remain seated. Remain seated. They will call you out.
Remember to stay seated.
It's embarrassing.
until the boat reaches the
So
dock.
just stay seated. Oh my golly, jeez, sorry. Remain seated. How embarrassing to have to be called out. That would be awful. My face would turn bright red. Remain seated, sir. It may seem like you could just get out right over here and walk right over, and you probably could, but that's not the rules. Oh my gosh. Now we can stand. All right, we are walking out of the ride. We're back out into the little Mercado Center here. And it's always so nice. It's pretty in here. The ambiance is well done, well done. We're gonna walk back up this ramp, back into the kind of main lobby area. I don't know. Main area that has all the cocoa stuff. We'll give you one good overview of this little spot though. It's nice. So you'll see the Fiesta Tour line starts there, and that's that little pyramid that you're going by at the beginning of the ride. So the restaurant is just right past there. Yep. Back this way. You can go out these doors, but that's just asking for the hot Florida heat to get you. So we'll stay in the air conditioning a little bit longer. And now we are back out, in the Mexico Pavilion. Thoughts?
Such a classic fun ride.
Classic.
It's not one that you get sick on.
No. It's boat, it's slow, lots to look at, good decor.
Yeah. Just a classic and a walk-on.
Classic characters.
I think it even said it was a 10-minute wait, but clearly you could see it was a walk-on. So don't be alarmed if it does show like a 10-minute wait. Odds are it's less than that.
Yeah. The tune is catchy.
Mm-hmm.
We sing it every time. And I'll probably be singing it until we leave. So, it was a good ride. One good bingo.
Love
Muy
it.
bien.
Yes. And as always, check our website out because we are going to be working on putting a lot of stuff on there, especially these POV of the rides.
Maybe it'll have someone out. Maybe it won't. But we're still doing it. So look out for them. And that does it for today. Thanks for watching.